Hello, future business leaders of America. My name is Trinity Garvin, and my partner and I, Davis and Jean, will be presenting a how-to tutorial on the video editing software Adobe Premiere. Video production is now an industry standard. Information is accessed most conveniently on online platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. For marketing purposes and just getting yourself out there, you have to get into social media. Heads up, we will be performing this video on a MacBook, so it will look a little different from a regular Dell or Linux. Step 1. Open the app and click on New Project. Hit Create. Once in, you'll notice in the bottom left corner a tab that allows you to import and browse media from and in your computer, as well as have access video effects with the label Project, Media, Browser, and Effects, respectively. To the right of that tab will be the tools you will use to edit the video, including the Selection tool, Ripple Edit tool, and Razor tool. To the right of that panel is the timeline, where all the magic happens. Next to that is the audio bar. In the top left, you'll find the source panel, containing the tabs Source, Lumetri Scopes, Effect Controls, and Text, allowing you to view the current clip you've selected, the effect of light in your footage, tweak the effects you use, and add in any kind of text you want. To the right of that tab is the program window. This is where you view the entire video you've been working on. Next, on the very top of the screen, you will see the menus for Adobe Premiere. These include File, Edit, Clip, Sequence, Markers, Graphic and Titles, View, Windows, and Help. These menus will be very helpful during the editing process, so make sure you use them. Now that you know that, we can move on to Step 2. Step 2, import a video clip. Go to the bottom left of the app where you see the box with Import Media to start. There are two ways to import. First way is to right-click in the box and then click Import, or click on the sticky note icon on the bottom right of the box and then click Import. Here for this video, we will be importing a clip from a student-run podcast called Student Speaks, but for this guide, you can choose any video clip. Now that you have the clip in Adobe Premiere, what do we do with it? Step 3, move the clip to the timeline. This is a relatively easy step. Drag and hold on the clip and move it to the right to the timeline. You will see that in the import box, there are two video clips now. Do not worry. The second one is there to signify that you are editing the clip. There are two kinds of tracks that will pop up, the audio and the video track. Step 4, cutting the clip down. Depending on the size of the clip you imported, you might want to cut the clip down. This is where the tools from earlier come in handy. Right next to the timeline, to the left, you will see a small vertical box. These are your tools. In that box, click the razor button. Your cursor should have changed. Now you can click on your video clip and you will see a cut has been made. In order to make sure that you cut a part, you want to click on it and then the clip should highlight, and then you want to tap the backspace key on your keyboard or right click and click delete. Most of the time, editing will be you deleting things from your clip. After you got your clip to the right length, you might want to edit it and make it look good. Step 5, Lumetri Color. Go to the Lumetri Color tab on your far right, or if you don't see it, go up to the window menu and click on Lumetri Color. This is where you can change the colors on the video and add filters. This is also where you white balance your video. To do that, click on the pencil space icon, and then click on something that appears white in your video clip. In Lumetri Color, these are your sub-tabs. Click on the tab that says Basic Correction. There you will see adjustments like white, black, saturation, and other things. These will help with the color of the clip. Mess around and find something that you like on your clip. Step 6, rendering. Click on the timeline, not on your clip. Go to the sequence menu, click on render it to out. Then wait as the machine does its job. Step 7, exporting. Go to the file menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down to export, click on media. Here you can edit the file name, file destination, presents for video quality, and the type of video format. Finally, hit export. And that will be all. My name is Trinity Garvin. This is my partner, Davis and Jean. This is our video editing tutorial on the software Adobe Premiere.